Every day, you repeat hundreds of tiny actions: brushing your teeth, checking your phone, sipping your morning coffee. They seem trivial, but each repetition quietly answers the question, who am I? Habits aren't just routines, they are identity sculptors. Each small action whispers, this is me. Over time, those whispers shape beliefs, and beliefs shape destiny. Identity-based habits flip the script on traditional goals. Instead of focusing on what you want to do, focus on who you want to become. Don't say, I want to read more. Say, I'm a reader. When behavior confirms identity, effort transforms into flow, because action now comes from belief. Imagine two people trying to quit smoking. One says, I'm trying to quit. The other says, I don't smoke. Both share the same goal, but only one has changed identity. The second person acts from who they are, not what they want. That's how identity-driven habits create lasting change. Neuroscience shows that repetition strengthens neural pathways, like trails carved through a forest. Each time you repeat a behavior, that trail deepens until it feels effortless. Write identity-based habits by asking, who am I becoming through this action? That question rewires the brain to act from identity instead of pressure. Real change happens in 3 layers: outcomes, processes, and identity. Most people chase outcomes, losing weight, saving money. But true transformation begins deeper, at the identity level. When you shift who you believe you are, your habits align naturally. So ask, who do I want to become? Because habits shape identity, and identity shapes everything that follows.